Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making very different soup. It's called bread soup. So for this we need chopped onion, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, chopped tomato, chopped green chili, lemon, cumin seed, red chili powder, salt, turmeric, coriander seed powder, garam masala. Take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of refined oil, add half a teaspoon of cumin seed, let them crackle. Now add half a teaspoon of very finely chopped ginger, add 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Now add 1 very finely chopped green chili, saute a bit. Now add 1 medium sized chopped onion. Toss it and cook till onion is transparent. Now add 1 chopped tomato, toss it again. Add salt to taste. Cook till tomato is soft. Add quarter teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Add 2 teaspoons of water and let them cook for 1 minute. Now, after 1 minute, crush the roti if you have roti or chapati and mix it. And if you want, you can use bread. I have both chapati and bread, so I am using both. And then add 300 ml of water and let them boil for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. And after 2 to 3 minutes, switch off the gas, add lime juice, and your bread soup, very different, very tasty bread soup, is ready to eat. Thank you.